All right, so I asked in the last video when I did that car, that Caprice, did y'all want to see the Beretta? Since I'm not coming back out here, I'm gonna film it anyway, and y'all getting it. So here we go, 1994 Beretta. Slide the seat back. 94 Beretta. This interior is not terrible. I mean, for the car to be as old as it is, it's not. I mean, the dash, yeah, the dash is fucked. However, the rest of the car don't look to be too bad. You got some heat fading or whatever there. Actually got the owner's manual in here. That's crazy. Bought it in West Texas from Mr. Larry Moore. The book is probably in more pristine condition than the whole goddamn car. I'm guessing nobody wanted it anymore. Called these people to come and get it. And here we are. Seatbelts on the door. The little handle is unique to these. You got the pull out right there. I think that's pretty cool. Look like this hubcap is like new. I mean, it has seen better days. Look like there go the keys. Keys to that thing still new, pristine. With the key tag on it. This is when Chevys was Chevys on bullshit. Look like it got a little 4-cylinder up under there. Not molested. Pretty. I feel like this is maybe one of those cars that maybe got kind of slept on a little bit. It was a kind of cool little two-door. I would have probably put, if I would have had my chance to get my hands on one, I might have put some rims on one. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this kind of having that door handle right there, man, that's different. I like different. Don't judge me. Only 499 on the dash. That's crazy. This car didn't even get drove like that, which would explain why it's in the condition that it's in. I mean, I guess if you was looking for some Beretta parts, man, this would be your car, because this car is not bad at all. Also, I guess they pulled them off and then put them back on. They saw the lug nuts or whatever so you can get the wheels off. The back, I think I already kind of been a fan of the back of the car. Okay, I'm gonna close it. I was gonna close it until I figured out that I couldn't. But yeah, thought that was a pretty thorough look. Obviously back here on the back deck where the sun been beating up on it for years and years, however long it was sitting. But like I said, on the inside, other than that, damn near immaculate. Damn near immaculate. No RPO code in this trunk. manufactured 12 of 93. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, bitch. Do got the VIN right there. Last registered in 2005. So interesting. But like I said, overall not a bad car. I don't know what's wrong with it to the point where they couldn't have put it up there and sold it like one of them other cars. Maybe they figured what nobody wanted or didn't have no title. One of the two. Maybe they didn't feel it was worth their time. So there's that. There is that. Yeah, man. Little short video. Beretta gang gang. Check it out. Let me know what you think. All right, we got another one here since we here. 1984 Monte Carlo. As you can see, they did not waste time. They got to the business. I'm looking at the RPO codes. Got a GH2. Let me snap a picture of that. Or a video. Make sure we can see all them codes. You can pause the video right about now. Get them codes. This one is probably not gonna be that long of a video, so that's why I didn't pause like I was really originally going to do. But yeah, 1984 Monte Carlo. Like I said, this one probably been here a while. They kind of ran through this mug. Rear end gone. Interior pretty much gone. Them G-body boys was on this one. Like I said, I don't know how long it's been here, but they definitely been on it. Fenders gone. I'm telling you, them boys was not playing. They was waiting on that moment. This is probably gonna be a 2004. Last registered it on the road. Judging by the sticker, can't really see the VIN. I guess if you needed a dough, the doughs is here. Manufactured January 1984. Like I said, everything is gone though. Column. I mean, they got this one good, boy. They got that one good, boy. They got that thing good. Bobby Boucher. They got that thing good, boy. I can't even tell you that the bumper good on their bed, but they got everything. Gee. All right, next one up on the roster, Buick Roadmaster, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. I always low key wanted one of these things, man. Back. Like way back before I got my first bubble Chevy, man, I couldn't find one, and it was looking bleak. I almost got a Roadmaster. This one is a 1993 Buick Roadmaster. As you can see, not in the best condition. I don't know what happened there. Let's see. Manufactured 7 of 93, so summertime. This one's pretty rough. Steering wheel gone, windshield busted. I bet these seats still comfy as shit though. Oh, there's so much water in there. Oh, that shit stink. That bit had to be here a minute. 93 Buick Roadmaster. This would have been one of the ones that I would have got. Fuck. That shit. That shit might be toxic, bitch. Might be toxic. Another of the highly sought after, you know what I'm saying, big body V8s. They don't make them like this no more, I promise you. I promise to God they don't make them like this no more. Yeah. Looks like they had an alarm on there. Had the ABS on that thing. V8 fuel injected. They probably came and got that TBI over there. That's probably where they came from, 93. Yeah. Probably came for that. Probably came for that TBI, boy. That TBI was reliable. You know what I'm talking about? Reliable. I don't know if I would have got one off a junkyard car, but you know. That brake and master cylinder look kind of new, but there's a whole lot of fucking water in that bitch. I don't know if I trust that either. But yeah. Another one, another short. Yeah. Coming up next on the block, on the videos. As y'all can see, I'm kind of going crazy out here today. They might be a little short, but it's content. We got Cadillac, Cadillac what? Cadillac Slantback, 1984 Slantback Seville. All the way from Forest City, Iowa. 1984. Manufactured in, I think our date is kind of gone. Hard, very hard to see. If you can see what that say, tell me in the comments. I can't make it out. Of course, they done took the switches. Interior is leather, so it held up a little bit better than most of them. Wood grain, Cadillac, lack. Look like that's about ready to come off anyway. Cadillac, lack. I'm gonna leave it alone. But yeah, Cadillac, lack. Dang, electronic climate control, fuel range, man. Cadillacs were always pretty much ahead of their time, my boy. And this was even in 1984. Heated mirrors. Body on this thing is straight. That slant back is legendary. But I asked somebody. That slant back is legendary. Everybody wanted that slanted back. Not a fat back, they wanted a slant back. You know what I'm talking about? Those are the photos. Like I said, it's still nice. Like I said, because the seats was leather, they held up pretty well. Not too terrible. I'm trying to, there it go. Seville, let them know. All right, we got another lack. Coming to the stage. 1989 Cadillac DeVille. Canary yellow with the yellow top. You know what I mean? They already took the, well, I was gonna say they took the back seat, but the back seat right there got the yellow on yellow with the guts. Yellow on yellow with the guts. Fuel data information center. Cadillac sure know how to make a car, man. Wood grain touches. The leather was yellow, but it, you know, it stood up a little bit to the time, but not all the way. Wood grain touches on the doors. Manufacture dates 0 February 1989. They don't make them like this no more, y'all. That lack. Guess we've seen better days, but it's gonna be okay. Very nice, very nice. Oh, that one got a little issue there, but we good. Had the V8. Y'all heard them struts? Them struts still got the good air in them. Good pressure. Hold that thing right on up. Like I said, they don't make them like this no more. 0.5 liter. What you know about it? We done came across another one. Cadillac, 1986 Cadillac DeVille, red, shock booty. Access denied in the front. Okay, we can open from the inside. There we go. Just need a little bit of finagling. Manufacture date. I think that's 7. Let me know in the comments. I think that's 7 or 86. Last registered 2011. Definitely seen better days. But man, back in this day, I'm telling you, didn't get much better than this. I love them 80's cars, man, if you can't tell. Not necessarily a fan of front wheel drive cars, but man, these were at least, let me check. I believe these were at least V8 front wheel drive cars. Somebody will correct me in the fucking comments, I know.